Yes. So what was the problem? Can anyone tell me the equation?
X cube minus 4x minus 9 equals to 0.
Yes. Okay. So let f of x be equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Or you don't need to say let. It is function of x. Okay. So what is f of 0? We had calculated it as minus 9. F of 1. F of 1. So this is less than 0. This is less than 0. F of 2.
Minus
minus
9.
9,
So this is also less than 0. F of 3 greater than 0. So actually we are getting different pairs. Just look at the pairs. We are getting 0, 3 interval. We are getting 1, 3 interval. We are getting 2, 3 interval. Okay. Here F0 is negative. F3 is positive. Here also F1 is negative. F3 is positive. F2 is negative. F3 is positive. Which one we should go for? Which interval we should go for?
F2 and F3.
Don't say F2 and F3. We should go for the interval 2 comma 3. Okay. Common sense says that here there is no root. 0 to, sorry, not 0 to 3. I want to say there is no root between 0 to 2. Or in the interval 0 to 2, there is no root. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma.
So unnecessarily don't increase the number of steps in your solution. So we should always go for the interval of the minimum length, of the shortest length, which satisfies our condition. So therefore we had considered a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, and always remember a is always less than b, because we read the interval from left to right on the real line. So a needs to be less than b. Okay. Now I'm showing you the tabular method today. Okay. So what you have to do here is write these columns. Find A, B, then your f of x, then sorry, not f of x, A, B, f of A, f of B, and x. What is the value of x? X is AFB minus BFA upon FB minus FA. This is your formula, and the last column is f of x. Okay, so these many columns you have to make. Okay, so I started with 2 and 3, right? We started with 2 and 3. A was 2 and B was 3. What is f of 2? What is f of 2?
minus 9,
Minus 9, and here it is 6. So when I substituted that, what is the answer of x? I am getting 2.6 मिल रहा था ना हमें?
yes ma'am,
2.6, yes. And what is f of 2.6?
minus 1.824.
Okay, so now we have to return with that a and b, which gives us opposite signs for f and fb. So now you have to choose among 2, 3 and 2.6. इन तीनों में से आपको एक पेयर चूज करनी है. तो कौन सी पेयर चूज करोगे बताओ? किसे किससे रिप्लेस करोगे? f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive, and f of x is again f of 2.6 is negative. So we should replace 2 by 2.6 or 3 by 2.6.
2 by
2 by
2.6.
2.6.
Everyone is following this?
Yes, ma'am.
F of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive, f of 2.6 is negative. So we have to retain with the pair such that f and fb are of opposite signs. तो मैंने अगर f of 2 को 2.6 से रिप्लेस किया तो ये वैसे ही रहेगा. ओके, सो 2 आई एम रिप्लेसिंग बाय 2.6, आई एम रिटेनिंग विथ 3. So if I replace 2 by 2.6, I should replace minus 9 by
Minus 1.824.
minus 1.824, right? Correct?
Yes.
Whatever I am changing, I will write using blue. Minus 1.824. Now, this 6 will remain as it is. And now with this new pair, I will calculate the x value. So I have the formula with me. A is 2.6 into 6 minus 3 into minus 1.824 divided by 6 minus minus 1.824. Yeah, please tell me this answer.
Minus 0.237218.
नहीं, wrong है. It should be between 2 and 3. The answer should be between 2 and 3. 2.6 into 6 कितना हुआ?
Ma'am,
15.6
answer
plus
2.693.
Ma'am, the answer is 2.693254.
एक मिनट मुझे करने दो. 3 into 1.824, that is 5.472 divided by this is 7.824. So 5.472 plus 15.6, that is 21.072 divided by 7.824. मेरा आंसर आया है 2.693251. करेक्ट है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
So now see, when you get the answer, don't immediately round off it to 2 decimal places. Your answer must be written up to 6 decimal places. How many?
6 decimal places.
6 decimal places, because that much accuracy is expected. So if your answer is diverting from 2 and 6, your answer is 2 and 3, your answer is wrong. Your answer must be between the first pair of A and B, 2 and 3. इसी में आंसर आना चाहिए. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन नाउ एट 2.693251?
Minus 0.237218.
237 minus point.
237218.
ओके, ठीक से कैलकुलेट किया है ये?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so again it is negative. So which should be replaced, 2.6 or 3?
2.6.
2.6.
Should be replaced by 2.693251, and 3 will remain as it is. This will become, now this value you have to copy here, minus 0.237218. This is as it is. And now the new value. Are you getting the method, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So ये फटाफट हो जाता है वैसे. करो, कैलकुलेट करो और आंसर बताओ इसका.
2.704918.
70.
4918.
Okay. What is the function's value?
Minus
minus
0.02.
0.0289.
02.
Yes,
यहाँ पे
ma'am.
भी 0.02 था क्या?
No, ma'am.
नहीं ना, पक्का ना?
Yes.
हाँ, -0.02.
8919.
देखो कितना कम हो गया. ये कहाँ पे जा रहा है? 0 की ओर जा रहा है ये आंसर. समझा क्या आपको? दो इट इज निगेटिव -0.02, मतलब ये 0 के नजदीक है. हमारी फंक्शन की वैल्यू जो है दैट शुड गो क्लोज टू 0. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now again it is negative, but so I should replace 2.69 by 2.704918. Now just look at the decimal places. Here this is 6 and this is 6. So answer is correct up to 1 decimal place. मतलब डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट सिमिलर है इनके. पहला डिजिट सेम है. So this answer is correct up to 1 decimal place. But now again it is differing. Okay. So let us see whether the next answer is again 2.7 something or not. So 3 I will keep as it is. Now minus 0.028919. This 6 will remain as it is. So what is the value of x now?
2.70.
2.70.
6333.
Okay. So see here, how many digits are same in the consecutive answers?
2.
2. So usually in exam you will be asked to calculate 4 approximations. Okay? Because that much is what you can do. Beyond that it will take much time and you need to complete your paper also. So this is fine. Are you getting it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So usually good answer will be correct up to 4 decimal places. And if you write a program for this, now this year we have Python, so we will be writing a Python program for regular falsy method. So you will observe that you will get very good answer after 10-15 approximations. So when you are doing programming, it is very easy to generate the number of approximations we want, right? And one can observe that after 10-15 approximations, the answer is 10 approximations. Usually the answer is getting repeated. You get the exact answer after 10 iterations mostly. Okay, so you have to technically apply these intervals. You should not go for the bigger interval. You should always go for the interval of the minimum length. Okay. Okay, so one more problem we will solve today. Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the problem is now okay, I will just copy this page. Yeah. Yes, let us have x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So what is f of 0?
-5.
Minus 5. F of 1?
-6.
F of 2?
-1.
Minus 1. F of 3? Yes, so there exists at least one real root in 2 comma 3, right? This is a cubic polynomial, odd degree polynomial, so it should have at least one real root. Either all the 3 roots are real or one real root and 2 complex roots. This is the possibility. Okay, so we are running after that real root. So I am taking a as 2 and b as 3. fa is -1 and fb is 16. So find out the first answer. Solve it quickly, chalo. We have ample time today for solving. Please calculations की आदत डालो girls. So it is 2 into 16 minus 3 into -1 divided by 16 plus 1. 16 minus -1. So 32 plus 3 is 35 upon 17. That is 2 point की कुछ तो आ रहा है. बोलो फर्स्ट आंसर कितना है?
2.05.
2.05
8823.
to
3.
yes, up to 6 decimal places. Now find out f of x. Yes, what is f of x, positive or negative? फटाफट करो, चलो कौन बताने वाला है मुझे अभी?
-0.39.
एक मिनट, हाँ। श्रद्धा राउत बताओ, श्रद्धा राउत। श्रद्धा राउत, आर यू देयर? श्रद्धा? कोमल सावंत लेफ्ट द मीटिंग। अभी पूछना शुरू हुआ कि एक एक लेफ्ट कर देंगे क्या? श्रद्धा राउत ऐकू येत आहे का? मग मेसेज नको करू मला, टेल मी द आन्सर. यस, जल्दी बोलो, चलो श्रद्धा. What should I do so that you will speak something, Shraddha? This is very difficult, very, very difficult. Yes, Maheb?
minus 0.390806.
So it is negative basically. So we will replace 2 by 2.058823. So significant digits in the number 2. How many significant digits are there in the number 2? Actually, when you write the number, yeah, there is one significant digit. Here there are so many significant digits. So when you write the number like this is the more accurate number. It has more significant digits. Okay, now this is 3 as it is. This -1 we are replacing by -0.390806. You can imagine here, see girls, function's value at 2 is -1. So on the real line, if you check, suppose this is the real line, this is the value 0. We are looking for a x value which makes your fx value 0. So -1 is somewhere here, okay, or on the y-axis if I see, -1 is somewhere here, okay, -1, sorry, this is +1, this is -1, and +16 is somewhere here. So +16 is not very close to 0 as compared to -1, right? Do you understand what I say, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But now when you calculate f at 2.05, you can see the value has become so less, -0.390, मतलब ये 1 के इतना ही पार्ट, so it has become more close to or closer to 0 as compared to these two values. But these values are not becoming exactly 0 also, right? और -0.000123 ऐसा कुछ, ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा है. First the position is non-zero, okay? So we need to proceed further as we understand that function's value is not entirely becoming or exactly becoming 0. We need to go more close, okay? So this 16 will remain as it is. Now you have to find out the new answer. Find the new answer now. सो न्यू आंसर क्या होगा? ए एफ बी 2.058823 इंटू 16 -3 इंटू -3 इंटू -0.390806 डिवाइडेड बाय 16 प्लस पॉइंट, और डायरेक्टली मैं लिखती हूँ 16 माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है तो वो होगा 16.390806। कितना आता है ये? Yes, tell me the answer.
2.081263.
2.08.
1263.
So the answer is correct to one decimal place. 00. Okay.
अरे तो तेरा वहां जाना बिल्कुल बेकार है। क्यों? क्योंकि ब्रिजेश लाल मेरा छोटा भाई है और उसकी बेटी ने एक ड्राइवर के बेटे के साथ शादी कर ली। हाँ, मैं सच कह रहा हूँ, कल को ऐसी बेवकूफी हमारे बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं। हमारे साथ ऐसा हालत ना हो।
किसी का अनम्यूट हो गया है, आवाज आ रही है टीवी की। यस, नेक्स्ट एक करो, चलो जल्दी। फंक्शंस वैल्यू ढूंढो कितनी आ रही है यहाँ पे। And girls, be prepared for non-algebraic equations also. Transcendental equations also may be there. Okay. Today is 13th, क्या?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, attendance Girls, solve it and simultaneously give your attendance. Yes. Tell me. बोलो.
मैम रोल नंबर 1.
हाँ.
Roll number 7.
रोल नंबर 9.
Next.
Roll number 13.
हाँ.
Roll number 14.
रोल नंबर 15.
हम्म.
Roll number 16.
17.
18.
19.
20. 22.
32.
22 के बाद डायरेक्टली.
32.
ओके. नेक्स्ट. बस इतने ही लोग हैं. 19 गर्ल्स आर देयर ना.
35.
4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 हो गए. 35. कौन है 35?
33.
Sanjana.
संजना. ओके. नेक्स्ट. 33 भी है. 33 35. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट.
41.
नैना इज नॉट देयर. नैना. नैना यादव इज देयर.
Ma'am, in the meeting, she is there.
If you are not answering, you are absent then. क्या फायदा है? राजलक्ष्मी 16 दिख दिया ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. 41 सानिया इज देयर. हो गया. Okay, girls, when you are finishing your lectures today?
Ma'am, at 3.
Huh?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. So I would like to meet you all at 5 o'clock.